Hello everyone, this video magluto ko bisayang manok with batong aning gata nga lubi. Sumuni siya ang bisaya nga manok duha ka buok. First ani isa ko ni siyang ipamalasa iyang karne.
This is super important what I'm saying now. When it comes to Iran, they have serious allies with train that comes all the way from China. They have serious allies in the company that was formed, the colonial company.
Oh, wow, smells so good. Yummy.
You can't make up the level of which actually won. And a lot of World War II was due from the new agreement that Iran just negotiated. I think they signed it in Cairo, but I may be wrong. Bolt them on to the missiles they already have. They can strike Israel as they proved. We've long past that point where it's acceptable to hear genocide in Gaza. Everybody can see it. We were able to get into that war, lost about 60,000 people roughly. Treasury drained our prestige and confidence. Then we run off to Iraq and Afghanistan, which was more significant, and trying to, but fail. So we failed and drained and volleyball, though only for 2 years with 8 games. Day or so, right? I mean, this is they're not going to make it. They open their borders.